Have you ever come across an error message such as this, and this? Or even this, or this? And you'll be like, oh, what is happening? Oh my God, my boss is on me. What should I do? You need not to worry, my friend, because after showing you how to get rid of these errors, you'll be more comfortable working on your spreadsheet. So let's get started. Okay, guys, another error to look at is the null error, which is what you can see here. Now, this null error returns an error message when the range of a particular cell imputed in a formula is wrongly specified. I hope you understand. That is to say, if you wrongly specify the range imputed in a particular cell, it returns this error. So let's double click on this error to see what is happening. Ideally, we want to calculate summation. This is what we have here. When you look at the formula bar, we have the formula for summation here. But there is a problem because we have wrongly specified the range. But before I show you the problem, let's quickly calculate another summation here by saying sum open parenthesis, then we'll drag this very particular range. This is what we are referring to. Now, when you look at how Excel look at this range, if you look closely, we say B3, then column B13. That is to say, from B3 down to B13 is our range. This is how it is specified. But if for some reason we specify it wrongly by excluding this column symbol here, then the ranges has been wrongly specified, and that is what returns this very particular error. But before I remove the column, let me hit enter on my keyboard. And when I hit enter, it has summed everything up for me. Now let's do it for the second range by saying summation. Then I will drag, sorry, I misspelled this, summation. Then I will drag this range, hit comma on my keyboard. I'll drag the second range, close my parentheses and hit enter, which has already calculated it also for me. But if you look at what we have here, the column is missing. Now, this column that is missing has wrongly specified the range. Now, instead of having from B3 to B13, we only have B3 as a single cell and B13 as a single cell, which is wrong. And that is why it resulted to a null error here. So how you get to correct this thing is simply to impute the missing symbol there, the missing operation. It mostly work with formulas whenever you remove the column from a formula or the comma sign from a formula or any mathematical operations such as plus, minus, division and multiplication from any formula, it returns this very particular error because these three parameters are very, very important. I hope you understand. The column sign, which is used to specify range, mathematical symbol, or comma sign, which is also used to specify ranges, as in some cases also. Whenever it is they are excluded, then this error pops up. So how you get to correct them is simply to impute the necessary symbol that is supposed to be there. In this case, it is a semicolon. And when I hit enter, it will automatically fix the issue for me. But for some reason, if I have this error message, let me give you a bonus here. When you navigate to the side of this error message here and you hold for a second, it tells you what the error is. Now here it says the range in the formula do not intersect. That is what the error message is here. And when you click on it, you can see null error is the name of the error itself. Help on this error. So when you click on help on this error, it will automatically search the help menu of Excel and bring out possible solutions to this very particular problem. You can see here it has brought up the possible solution you can get to apply on the help error, where we say correct a null error. This is a brief description, and this is if you've used an incorrect range operation, make sure you use a column, which is what we have just explained, a comma, which is what we are also displayed here, and other things that you need to do to go about correcting this very particular error. So anytime you come across an error here and you seems not to understand, After adopting the principle we have just explained, if you need more help, you can also click on this very particular error symbol and choose any of these options that are available. So I hope you understand. So this is how you correct it. In this situation, all I have to do is impute the comma symbol that will now separate these two ranges together. That means to say what has the range that has been incorrectly specified has now been correctly specified by introducing the comma symbol. So I will just hit enter on my keyboard and that's it. I'm done.